Cookie time, cookie time. It's not as easy as your takeout Chinese restaurant. Ooh. When you open one time, you eat one cookie, you tell one fortune. And
What's yours say?
today, your fortune is, you're hungry. Just kidding, it's a joke. I smoke 2 joints before I smoke 2 joints, and then I smoke 2 more.
That's what it says.
Smoke 2 joints before I smoke 2 joints, and then I smoke 2 more.
I can get it open like you.
Try the other end.
I'm trying. I can get it. Oh,
Ooh.
got it. Let's see. Getting crumbs everywhere.
More junk cookie.
It says, oh, wrong side. Don't tell me there's no hope at all. Together we stand, divided we fall. Pink Floyd.
Oh, snap.
You want to see?
How's it? Pink Floyd. Yummy?
Good breakfast snack.
Yeah, it's really good.
Now we need coffee. This would be good to dip in coffee.
Oh my god. Let's go get coffee.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Take another bite. Take another bite. Mmm.
Alright, so we are going to Malibu Creek State Park.
Yeah.
And I looked up a bunch of photos and everything online, and it looked like a lot of fun. There is? I think that's where we're going. So David has to go on a hunt for the other GoPro.
Okay, so we lost one GoPro to the water, and we're gonna try going through the water again.
Thanks, babe.
I mean, it was pretty frosty on your toes, but you know what? It's really bearable. It's not that bad.
How deep is it?
Well, that looks like we could definitely walk across. There's a
It
little
does.
baby walking across, so I think we could do it. What do you think?
Okay, let's try.
All right,
Otherwise,
take your shoes
I
off.
mean, we're gonna have to go all the way around if we don't.
Let's take your shoes off. Pee in the water, babe.
Ooh, it's slimy.
Slimy. It's chilly. Just a little chilly. Whoa. It's a titty bit nipply. These rocks are kind of tough on the feet. Not gonna lie. Even though most of them are round, some of them are sharp. Oh, that one hurt. Can't really feel my feet anymore, so that's not such a big deal.
We're almost there, we're almost there.
Oh, almost fell. Almost fell. Oh, there's a shark. Yeah, you're right. I should slow down.
I'm a pro at this. Been doing this since I was a baby. No lie though.
You didn't make it yet. I still almost fell in. I'm trying to step on these smooth rocks. Yeah, it's fun, right?